Hi everybody, it's Christy Day of Wool Envy, and we're in part 3 of how to design your sweater. So we talked about using a mannequin or a dress form or yourself in part 1 to piece together essentially your 3D puzzle of knit or crochet. So we started with this first panel. And once you do a section of your either knit or crochet, you can determine how many inches or a fraction of an inch each stitch is. So in this case, this is a bulky 2-ply yarn that I spun, and each stitch equaled ½ an inch. So I already have my twin fit mannequin set to my proportions, so I could go across and then from there figure out how many stitches each other section would need to be. We also talked about the collar needs to be 2 sections. So we have a front collar, and then we have a seam right up here at the top of the shoulder. And then we have the back collar that's higher up on the neck, you know, because we don't want it to be super low scooped. And then I made a back panel, and look, I lost track here and got a little ribbing. That's okay, because now it's going to help me determine, oh, that's the back of my sweater, because I like never put in tags in my sweaters for myself. And then we did some ribbing at the bottom, one long strip that I just measured how long it would need to be. This is actually, this mannequin is taller than me, so this is actually going to hit like at the top of my thigh. So it'll be great for when I'm wearing leggings. It'll go around my butt, and then we'll kind of tighten right here. So that'll be kind of fun. So I had to measure this, and I wanted it to be a little bit tighter so it doesn't go all the way around, so that when I pull it, it'll be tighter. So we've got, so far, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces all together. Now what I do is I just get a tapestry needle or like a yarn needle somewhere around here. Here it is. And these extra pieces that I had when I bind it off, which is in the previous video, step 2 on how to bind off if you've never done this. You've probably done it if you know how to knit, but just in case, I did a binding off section. And we'll just go ahead and we'll take these tails and we'll just sew them together. Super easy. Just an easy little stitch. Just go through one and the other. It's not rocket science. You just pick up one. Maybe if you're a kid or a total newbie, I'll zoom in here for you. So we'll just go into a end of the stitch on one thing and into the stitch on the other panel, and we'll pull. And then if we want it to be really stable, we'll go through this loop so it can never unravel, and we'll essentially have a lock stitch going all the way down this piece. And we'll do that with every seam. I didn't lock that one, so maybe I should lock this next one. Just go around and through the loop and down. Now the other thing to do if you don't want to do this is you can actually crochet the pieces together. And I do that if these pieces in between are not quite big enough, and also if I want them to have more structure, because like a single crochet is really strong. And I think I did that in somewhere around here. Yeah, this section is crocheted. See? No, this is knit. No, this is crocheted. So part of it is crocheted and part of it is knit. So that gives it like a totally different feeling and effect. But I noticed that the crochet kind of has a stronger structure, and the knit, of course, is stretchier. So if you're looking for stretch, stick with the knit. If you're looking for a more solid structure, stick with the crochet. And we're just talking like single crochets or double crochets. Super easy. And so then I would do that there. Now over here, I don't have enough of my knit here, see? Because I'm gonna put sleeves on this. And I have these sections. Well, I can't really add a sleeve right here, into here. That'd be a weird shaped sleeve. I mean, I guess I could, but it'd be really weird. So instead, I'm just gonna fill up right here with crochet, and then I'll crochet a little cap sleeve right there, and then I'll attach my knit. And that's what I did in this sweater. So I've got crochet all the way down here, and then the knit. So that's just easy for me to figure out. So this is just a little, I put a zipper in. Putting zippers in, guys, is super duper easy. Way easy. These new zippers are the length of your foot. So, I mean, you don't even need to have special zipper foots or anything. And then the back of this is super cool, I think. I needle felted a design into it. So that was kind of fun. This was a big project I started last year, and I just now finished it. The collar was just a super soft first year lamb fleece that I was gonna spin, and I accidentally felted it in the bathtub when I was washing it, processing. And I was like, ah! But then look, it turned into this super awesome collar. So embrace your accidents, because it might be a major design feature of whatever you make. Okay, that's Christy Day from Wool Envy. Keep creating, embrace your mistakes, because they might make the next coolest thing that you've ever made. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.